Welcome back. In this session, I will explain binary relation operator or operation. Previous session I explained unirelational operations. There I explained select operation and project operation. Select for what? Yeah? Select the tuples from the relation based on the condition, predicate. By making of project operation, if you want to get, extract particular attributes from the relation, that can be done with the help of project operation. Sigma is used for select operator and pi symbol is used for project operation here. In this session now, I will explain binary relation operations or operators. This comes under chapter 6. This is called session 36. See now, binary relation operation can apply for two or more tables, sets. Whereas in the case of unary relation operation, you can apply only for single table, single relation, single set. But this apply for two or more tables or relations or set. See now, here a set of operators, set operators combine the result of two queries into a single result. Assume there are two tables are there, two relations are there. Here you will get another single table or relation as output. And queries, you know that asking question and getting answer. Query is nothing but asking question and getting answer. Queries contains set of operators are called compound queries. Now let us see the set operators in SQL are union, intersect, minus. First let us see union. It combines two or more tables, two or more relations here. But it will not duplicate the data. It will combine only distinct values or data or tuples or attributes. Here it combines either or both of the two relations. It is represented by, you see the figure here. This is union. This is called union. It is denoted as U symbol. But union operators selects only unique values by the default. Suppose in a first relation or table or set, some tuples or exist in the second table, but it will extract only once. It will not duplicate it. See now, assume I will take one table here, employee table. There is employee number, there is employee name and salary. Another, I will take a company table, employee number, employee name and salary. If I take a employee union company, it will combine all the tuples existing both the tables, employee as well as company. Then it will give the new table or new relation as output. But suppose same data exists in both the tables, it will extract only once. Data will not be duplicated. Data will not be duplicated. That is the purpose and use of union. Suppose you take R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you write R union S, we will get it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exists in R as well as S. But in S there is another element 6. Distinctly it will combine. What is a new relation? R union S means that I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the meaning of union. Next, second one, intersect. Common elements. Common elements or common tuples or common attributes in the both the relations or sets and so on. It is denoted by the symbol opposite of U. It is represented by, you see the figure here. In the case of union, it will extract the data exist in both the tables here. In union, it will extract only the common data, common tuple, common domains and so on. You take one example here. R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. R intersect S means that we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 common elements. In the union, 6 is also added here. It will combine, but intersect will consider only the common data, common elements and so on. That is the exact difference between union and intersection. Here also you take employee table, company table. When I take employee intersect company, it will extract only the common tuples which are exist in the both the relations or tables, means employee as well as company. Already I have given example in the union, same thing. In union, it will combine together, but there it will not extract the duplicated data, means exist in the both the tables only once. But union, it will extract only the common. Already I have given simple example here. R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. R union S means that I will get it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. R intersection S means that I will get only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the difference between union as well as intersect. Next we will pass on to minus. You know that suppose if I take a general example, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. This is general arithmetics. Here minus, this operation returns only those rows that are distinct in first table but not present in the second table. But not present in the second table. It is denoted by minus symbol. You see that figure. It will extract only the rows from the first table that are not exist in the second table. For example, R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. R minus S means that here that are exist in the first table but not in the second table. But not in the second table. Here we will get null. Suppose if I take R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. R minus S means that we will get 6. We will get 6. You got the point here? It returns only those rows that are distinct in first table but not present in the second table. Suppose if we take R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are elements of set. You will get it null. Suppose if we take R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will get it 6. That are exist in the first table but not present in the second table. That is the difference between union, intersect and minus. Once again a recap. See, unary relational operation perform on only the single table. Binary performs on only the 2 or more tables, not on single table. That is the difference between unary as well as binary. Here there are the different operators are there in SQL: union, intersect, minus. Union, it will combine the rows in the both the tables, but distinctly. Suppose same rows are exist in the second table also, it will extract only once. But whereas intersect, it will extract only the common rows in the both the tables, common rows. But minus is what here now? It will extract only those rows that are present in first table but not in the second table. That means what here? Distinctly in the first table but not present in the second table. That is a difference between what here now? Union, intersect and minus. Just to see the figure, graph. Here in union there is a graph, so 2 circles are there. It will extract both the tuples available in the both the tables, either in first table or in second table or both, distinctly. You see intersect, common tuples, it will extract only common tuples. Then you see here minus, it will extract distinctly in the first table but not present in the second table, That is a difference between union, intersect as well as minus. These are all operations can be performed on relations or tables or sets using binary relation operators. Thank you. See you in the next session.